Can you really make a profitable Shopify dropshipping store by using TikTok influence? So this is a question that I actually thought of the other day and I really wanted to test it out. I've seen a lot of dropshippers actually do this, but the question is it profitable? TikTok is probably one of the biggest social media platforms right now with over 1 billion active users. It's actually unbelievable how fast people can grow on it. So I wanted to utilize this growth. There are a lot of people who are growing, have over 100,000 followers, but don't know how to actually utilize their followers to monetize it. So this is where we can actually reach out to them and offer them for a brand deal, a promotion on the TikTok, giving them a free product in exchange for a promotion, stuff like that would normally be a lot more expensive on Instagram. Now, honest truth, I believe that Instagram followers are probably more high quality and worth more than TikTok. So I don't want to spend too much on a TikTok ad, but for this video, I'm thinking of just testing one influencer that I can find that's relative to the niche and that I can get for a good price. So for this video, I have just created a trial Shopify store, dropshipping store for the female beauty niche. I feel like there's a lot more impulse buys, especially in that niche, and I think it'll be perfect for this video, especially for a TikTok test. So now I'm going to find some influencers, DM them, and get back. Okay, so as you can see the screenshots on the screen now, I found this person that we're going to go ahead with. She has a lot of TikTok followers, and what I've done is negotiated a deal for an exchange of my product sent to her for a free TikTok ad ran on the product. The best bit about this is that she lives in the United States and my product has a USA warehouse, so I can ship it to her and it'll get to her within about 3 to 4 days, so we can get this ad ran quickly. Okay, so we're back. So it's been about 24 hours since she received the product and put a video up on TikTok, and it has done pretty well. I've actually got a lot more sales than I thought. Honestly, I actually didn't expect it to go too well. It went semi-viral in my opinion. I was only expecting a few thousand views. I'll put it up on screen now. I really gotta hold on. So look, honestly, it was a really creative and really nice ad, so big thanks to her. And I got roughly 8,000 views at the time of recording this video, which is really, really good, better than I expected. And we did get 4 sales. So to run the profit, overall, we spent $9 shipping her the product, and we did make $12 times by 4, which is 48 US dollars back, leaving us with a total profit around 39 US dollars. Again, just for one influencer, it's not bad. This was merely just a test. I really wanted to see how TikTok influencers actually are. And if I can still get results like this, and if we can get a viral video, I think that would be amazing. So if you guys want to see more tests like this in the future, if you guys want to see a different niche page, I'm definitely happy to build a whole new Shopify page on a direct niche you guys want me to test on TikTok or on Instagram. If you guys want any content like that, comment what you guys want. Leave a like if you guys want similar videos like this. Subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys next time.